Picked up a couple items at the grocery store this evening. Picked up some cube steak. This is going to be one of my main meats this week. And also some more wild Alaskan sockeye. I was able to get wild Alaskan sockeye, so I was happy for that this time. I'm going to have salmon at least 2-3 times this week. And then the rest of the time I have beef and whatever else is in the refrigerator. Here I have a salad that I'm going to be having this evening, and this is from Salads Are Us, I believe it's called. And this is the roasted autumn, very, very good roasted autumn with chicken. I'm going to have this, and then also have the cube steak for dinner. Picked up some sugar-free whipped cream. I like to use this with different things that I'm making. Like now I have a keto cheesecake in the refrigerator, and I use this and also chocolate syrup with it just to give it a beautiful look. And then I love to eat it, and just the appearance of it makes it taste better. Picked up some JC Powder sausage, and this is it's pork, you guys. A lot of people don't eat the pork, but I do like sausage, so I do have some sausage here. Silk almond milk. I use this a lot in my smoothies. Got some cottage cheese because I'm going to be making my cottage cheese bread or cottage cheese wrap this week. Also, I'm going to try, I've been seeing this recipe for cottage cheese brownies. I'm going to be trying to make some cottage cheese brownies, and I'll share that with you, but they looked so fudgy and so good, so I'm going to be making that for myself. Picked up some Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and this is the raw and filtered and pasteurized with the mother. This is the best kind, I think, to use. I also picked up some organic raw honey. I'll be using this in some drinks that I'll be having. And then also, in some of the other foods, I'll be using raw honey as a sweetener. Now, I'm just adding this back into my diet. I haven't had beet juice since I left Seattle. So I picked up some organic beet juice, and I'm going to be drinking this. This says organic beet juice blend, but when I look on here, I guess the blend says organic beet juice and organic lemon juice. So I'm going to be drinking this week because beet juice is supposed to work very, very well for if you have high blood pressure. Picked up several different types of fruits and veggies that I'll be using. I got some lemons. Got some more avocados. I use a lot of these. Also, picked up a cucumber. Sulforaphane also with the broccoli. I'll be eating a lot of this. And I use those two things in my smoothies also. I got some red onions, and also I got some ginger. But all of these two things I'm adding into my grocery haul for this week. And I plan on eating real, real healthy for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try to share with you the meals that I eat and some of the meals that I make. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing going.
You're thinking, give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it.
Everyone understands that firefighting is a serious and dangerous job. However, this video clearly demonstrates the exact threats firefighters face when battling flames.
This is Kenny's meal. My meal is almost similar. This is dinner. This is dinner. This is my plate. This is keto steak, but that's regular gravy, I hate to say. And I have some salad, Italian beans, sweet potatoes. Here's Kenny's plate. He's got his meat, sweet potatoes, his salad, and his biscuits with butter. Time to eat. Okay, so this is my breakfast this morning. Here I have 3 eggs because I want to make sure I get in enough protein. And I have some fermented sauerkraut. And I use that, it's a great probiotic, you all. This is sauerkraut, classic sauerkraut, salt and caraway seed. It's fresh, it's fermented. Let's see. There's no fat, 2 grams of carbs, and one of those being fiber, and no protein in this. 1 ounce is about 10 calories. So this is what I'm having, is some sauerkraut. And like I said, I'm using that as my probiotic. Very, very good. And I really don't have to take a pill for that. So I'm getting ready to go and have my breakfast this morning. Here I made myself a nice sandwich for dinner. I didn't have any homemade keto bread, So I had some that I bought from the store, which was from Brahms. It was a low carb bread that I used. Tasted very, very good. And here I just have some variety of meats, like some sliced pastrami, some chopped ham, and tuna. I've added like some lettuce and different things. It's a very, very good sandwich. I really enjoyed it. And yes, I did have a slice of keto cheesecake. I have been eating on this cheesecake for at least a couple of weeks now. For dinner, I am having the wild Alaskan salmon, and I love salmon, you all. I'm adding salmon to my meals at least 2 to 3 times a week. I've also made some homemade Alfredo sauce with this. Kenny loves his Alfredo sauce, so I have to put enough on his salmon to cover it. I also love Alfredo sauce. To this, we're also going to have some spinach and some arugula salad. I'm going to add that. And then also, let's see, Kenny, he'll get to have some garlic toast with his. And also, I'm having some Italian beans. I am trying to have at least 2 servings of vegetables with my dinner today. So, this is a nutritious meal that we are adding in. Now, you probably say that is a lot of sauce on the meat, but this is how he likes it, so this is what he gets. He doesn't need to lose any more weight. He's already reached his ideal weight. I am the one that needs to lose the weight and reach my ideal weight. Kenny weighs around 165, so he feels great and he likes where he is right now. I am still working on reaching my goal. And like I said, my goal is to get at least to 199 pounds. I'm getting ready to go ahead and enjoy my meal now. As we know, salmon is a protein powerhouse. It's loaded with omega 3s for heart and brain health. Arugula and spinach are leafy greens and they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These help to boost my immune system and keeps my skin glowing. It's a good combo, I believe. As long as I continue to eat these healthy type of foods, I know that I will reach my weight loss goal. And also I know that I will get healthier. These are the goals that I'm working toward every day. Italian beans like cannellini or barlati, they're packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. They help support heart health, aid digestion, and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. They're also a great plant-based protein source. Make sure that you're adding in good foods to your meals and that you're getting great benefits whatever you eat.